ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله.
He said there are two words, two short words, or one short sentence that contains two short words that are most beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are so beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, these two words. وَخَفِيفَتَانِ عَلَى اللِّسَانِ وَثَقِيلَتَانِ إِلَى الرَّحْمَنِ. They are very easy for us to say with the tongue, and they are very heavy on the scales of good deeds when we say these words. What are they? Who knows? Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim. Whoever says this so many times, what is the reward for that? Anybody know? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will have something great for him in the paradise. So let's learn this together. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim. So my young brothers, today in our class we learned two of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's great and beautiful names. Allah has many beautiful names and many beautiful attributes. 99 and even more than 99 names, right? Two of the names we learned today, one of them was Al-Hakim. Al-Hakim. Al-Hakim means the most wise. Allah, He is the most wise. When we look at the creation of Allah, we see Allah's wisdom everywhere. And wisdom is putting your knowledge in its right place at the right time, using your knowledge correctly. So Allah, when we look at His universe and the creation and the way that He's created human beings and animals, we see that Allah's wisdom is manifest and right in front of our eyes. And then the other name of Allah that we learned was what? Al-Khaliqu. Al-Khaliqu. What is Al-Khaliqu? The Creator. What did Allah create? Is there anything Allah didn't create? What was the first thing Allah created? Yes. Okay, the universe. What part of the universe though? Water. First thing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created was water and what? His throne. Because we have in the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala خلق العرش وعرشه كان على الماء. And His throne was where? Above the water. It was above the water. And we know that Allah, He creates everything living from what? From water. So Allah, He created water, He created His throne, and then He went on to create what? The pen. What did He tell the pen to do? Right? Everything that's going to happen in the creation. How long people are going to live, how much money they're going to make, how many children they're going to have, how much knowledge they're going to attain. Everything in the creation, Allah already wrote it down and He already planned it. When we were in our mother's wombs, Allah, He sent an angel to us, right? And the angel wrote down some things while we are in our wombs of our mother, before we were even born. Such as what? How long we're going to live, how much sustenance we're going to acquire in this world, whether we're going to be happy in this world or whether we're going to be miserable. Okay? So this is part of belief in what? The qadr of Allah. Meaning that everything that happens in the world, it happens for a reason. Okay? Things don't happen from coincidence. Things happen for reasons. Sometimes we know the reasons, sometimes we don't know the reasons. But everything that happens, we know that Allah has His wisdom behind it. Okay? So two names of Allah we learned today, Al-Hakim and Al-Khaliq. Al-Hakim and Al-Khaliq. Okay? Good. So, inshallah, like I said, I told you guys next week when you come to class, if you guys memorize the 6 names of Allah that we have learned so far, then you will have a prize, inshallah ta'ala. So, may Allah bless all of us and all our youth, our parents, inshallah, and may Allah increase us in beneficial knowledge.